Well, scabbing after hair transplant is very common.
Hi, I'm Dr. Parsa Mohebi, Medical Director and founder of Parsa Mohebi Hair Restoration.
Well, scabbing after hair transplant is very common. We usually expect that on transplanted area, whether it's front or top, you may have some dryness of the skin, some little scabs that we can see it after any wounding. They usually aggregate a little bit the first 3 or 4 days, but if you wash it properly the way that we show you, the scab should be gone after day 5 or 6. If they're not, that's a sign that you have to wash your hair more aggressively by leaving shampoo longer to get rid of them. Otherwise, they may jeopardize the growth of the hair.